Welcome to the channel and welcome to a glorious day. It's lovely, isn't it?
It's really nice.
Really nice. Now we're just off on a little ride. It's absolutely beautiful today. We're going to try something different for you guys. Now normally I've got the camera on the front of my helmet and sometimes Louise has one on her bars facing backwards, but you're strapped up today, Lou, aren't you?
Got this new forward facing camera.
Yeah.
Chest strap. Going to give it a whirl, see how we get on.
But that just means that I can switch the camera on before we leave and Louise hasn't got to deal with any buttons or worry that it's there. Hopefully you won't know it's there, but we're going to give it a try. So if you see the video coming out, it means it's worked. So let's go out for a coffee somewhere and enjoy this beautiful day on the bikes. Yeah, nice little manoeuvre there, those out the junction. You look so good in that yellow vest that we got you. It looks so much better.
Yeah, I feel much more visible, which is good.
Yeah, because you was quite black before, weren't you? So.
And you definitely look like I'm on my set. You look like an instructor behind me.
I know. Oh look, I've got my yellow jacket here and your vest. It's yeah, quite a nice feeling like I'm your instructor. First time in a long time I can tell you what to do for a little while.
Can't promise I'll listen though, you know that.
No, that's right. We'll see if she turns left when I say turn right, huh? But you're right, we do feel like instructor and student. And a very good student at that, you're doing very well. So yeah, like we just said in the garden, we've got Louise a forward-facing camera there. It's a chest strap, and it's purely just so you guys get a different view of Louise's riding, and it doesn't distract her whatsoever. One day we'll have a camera on the helmet for her, so we get the same view. But for now, that's all we can do, and I think it's going to be good enough. Are you happy with that, Louise, on there?
Yeah, I've tried it out, you can see it, to be honest, so it's not a distraction. And the strap's really comfy, so yeah, done.
Good. You know you're going to have to wear that everywhere you go now. Don't forget to blip your throttle under the bridge. It's the law, you've got to do it. You've got to remember to turn that indicator off when you come into a junction. It's a really bad habit you've got, and it's a bad habit that loads of people have, and I have it. I'm lucky to have self-cancelling on here, as I do it all the time. But approaching your test, you've got to remember. Maybe I need to like shout at you every time you do it, so every time you put your indicator on, you think, oh, he's going to shout at me. I don't know, there's got to be something we can do to stop you doing it.
So in this situation, because obviously this lane is to turn right, but this traffic is what we are in.
Yeah.
Would you filter and then come back in?
No.
No.
I wouldn't, because I would be more worried that someone at the last minute was going to go, traffic's too bad here, I'm going to turn right there and go down that.
Yeah.
And we're right at the end of that filter lane now, and that will just be someone at the last minute thinking, bugger this, I'm turning right. So no, I wouldn't. Yeah, so I can see down there now clearly, and there's only about a 2-foot gap between the cars, so as much as I want to dive down there and get to the traffic lights, I wouldn't do that. So many people out today on a Sunday, isn't there? Yeah, I suppose. Oh, nice bit of slow riding. Don't put your feet down. Well done. Good control there. We need to go back to that car park and practice all your slow manoeuvres, don't we?
Yeah, that is where I need the practice.
Clutch control with a figure of 8 and stuff. You did well when we did it the other week. Just hope I'm not like teaching you the wrong way to do it.
I don't think so.
Well, I've never really had to learn how to do a figure of 8 on a bike. There's never been a situation where I thought, oh my god, a figure of 8 would get me out of this trouble. But I suppose it's just to prove that you can control the bike at slow speeds, I suppose.
Oh.
Oh, make sure they see you. Good observation. What's made me nervous going across these tracks? So if you've watched the channel before, we put a video out this morning. It's just a little channel update really. Got lots and lots of videos on the channel if you look back, and there's a little bit of a mixed niche. Most of our videos are Louise and I out riding, going on adventures and generally mucking around with bikes and reviews and stuff. But I also do a lot of videos on motorcycle builds, especially the scrambler build that I'm working on at the minute. And I just think the channel's getting a little bit confused as to who our audience is. So what I've done is set up another channel. So all the builds and all the motorcycle repairs and stuff are going to go over onto that channel. It's called Mad About Mechanics, and I will put it in the link in the description. So if you do enjoy both of our types of videos, i.e. Louise and I out riding, you know, doing what we do, and all the mechanical stuff, you can stay subscribed to both. If not, you can go over and subscribe to the other channel to watch all the builds. But yeah, again, we just want to say, we've said it quite often, we just appreciate everybody that watches our videos and takes the time out to do it and hits that like and subscribe. It makes a massive difference. We're really enjoying building this channel, and you guys are what makes it. So yeah, thanks very much. Well, thanks for joining us in this short video. It was just an excuse to get out while the weather's great actually, and get Louise some miles under her belt. She can't hear me at the moment, she's busy boogieing to her music at the front. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little video. So if you do enjoy the videos of our ride outs, like I said before, those are the videos that are going to be on this channel now. No bike building. So it's purely going to be rides and tours and adventures and camping and all the stuff that we normally do. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell, that will notify you when new videos are coming up. So yeah, thanks for watching, appreciate it always. See you in the next one. Cheers.